Welcome to the Legal Baatchit. Today, we are dissecting Section 7 of the Indian Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, 2016. Understanding this cornerstone of insolvency law is vital for financial stakeholders. Financial creditors, the catalysts of insolvency proceedings. Financial creditors play a pivotal role in the insolvency framework. They are the entities whose financial health is directly impacted by a firm's insolvency. Under the IBC, these creditors have the power to trigger the Corporate Insolvency Resolution Process, or CIRP. Initiating CIRP. 1 and how? CIRP can be initiated when a corporate debtor defaults on a debt obligation. The process begins with the financial creditor filing an application to the NCLT. The application is a formal document outlining the occurrence of default. Documentation, the bedrock of applications. Critical to this application is the documentation. This includes records of default from information utilities, proposed resolution professionals, and any other information the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, IBBI, deems necessary. The 14-day crucible, adjudicating authority's role. The adjudicating authority's role is to verify the default within 14 days. This is a crucial juncture where the authority assesses the evidence provided and determines the path forward for the corporate debtor. Application admittance, a dual pathway. The NCLT has two paths: admit the application, commencing the insolvency resolution process, or reject it if the default is unproven, the application is incomplete, or if there is any ongoing disciplinary proceeding against the proposed resolution professional. The commencement of CIRP, a new beginning? Upon admission, the CIRP officially begins. It's a significant moment that could lead to the restructuring of the company's debts or its liquidation, all aimed at maximizing the value for creditors. Legal precedents, case laws shaping CIRP. Legal precedents have continually shaped the application of Section 7. Landmark judgments have provided nuanced interpretations that guide practitioners and stakeholders alike. The evolving jurisprudence of homebuyers' rights. The inclusion of homebuyers as financial creditors has been revolutionary. It has provided them with a powerful legal recourse against defaulting developers, ensuring their protection under the IBC. Challenges and interpretations, the legal minefield. The path of insolvency proceedings is not without its legal challenges. Various tribunals and courts have interpreted the provisions, adding layers of complexity to Section 7 applications. Conclusion: Section 7's place in the insolvency ecosystem. Section 7 is not just a legal provision, it's a critical tool that balances the interests of creditors and debtors, promoting a resolution mechanism that's both efficient and equitable. Stay informed, stay empowered. Thank you for joining us. Remember, knowledge of law empowers you to make informed decisions. Subscribe for more insights and in-depth legal analyses. Until next time, signing off.